Do you work somewhere that sells jeans?
I used to sell on Poshmark, and then my husband and I adopted little autistic twin boys.
Okay.
And
they kicked you off Poshmark for that?
Huh?
No, I'm just kidding. The story's coming together.
Yeah, but if you want to look around, yeah, we have another older Barbie from.
Do you have any other Harley Barbie stuff?
No, only that one. Those are the two oldest Barbies that we have.
That is your free bin, or?
This is our free bin, yeah, if you want to look at more stuff in.
Is this part of it? What is?
Yeah, these two are for free.
For free? Okay, and then I'll take this for sure. Should I put that in the bag?
Do you want all of it?
Yeah, I'll take it all.
Yeah, I'll give it all to you.
So I'll pay it 8.
Yeah.
For those.
Thank you very much.
And then if you're okay, I can look through the shoes, right?
You can look
okay.
through.
All right. Let's throw this in the car real quick. Okay. What kind of coat? What brand is that?
This one is Hollister. Yeah, if you want to check, you can put like stuff in here so you can get deeper.
Good process. Good thinking.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What's it called?
Jake Day.
What's it called?
Jake Day.
Jake Day.
Yeah. Yeah. You're like the third person that's been like, "What's your channel?"
Yeah, I like watching them.
Yeah, they're fun. Yeah, I just purchased some mics, lapels that'll go on my shirt, and then because usually I have my friends with me and we're like talking, but off camera you can't really hear what they're saying a lot of times. So yeah, I told them we gotta get some mics so people can hear what we're saying.
Cool.
Just making sure I don't have to keep looking for another one.
Oh yeah, but then somebody else came too, so it's another yard sale.
Oh, perfect. I'll go there after. So you collected these? Do you have like more that you've collected? These are the ones you don't like?
Yeah, these are just the ones that I'm getting rid of.
We have double of? Oh, there's another 11. What'd you think of season 4? Is that what we were on?
Yeah, season 4.
I thought that was the best one, the most recent one. With Vecna. Alright.
Yeah, Funko Pops don't really sell that well. There's like only a few that are like...
It's our generation's Beanie Babies.
Yeah.
Alright, which bag was mine?
Yeah, these ones.
Okay. Well, nice meeting you. Oh yeah. Sorry. Didn't pay it because I thought maybe I'd find more.
Are you okay with dollars back?
Oh yeah, I prefer it. I'll grab that. Just go ahead and keep the 5. I'll grab this.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, no problem. I didn't spend it all over there.
Right, huh?
Yeah. He pointed you out down the road, and I was like, "Oh, you sure you want to do that?"
Right, huh? Well, shoot, we just got tons of clothes, thousands of DVDs.
Do you have any more boots? Or just the one pair?
So we have those cowboy boots and we have those muck boots right there.
Okay.
Those are a size 8.
Okay.
And then the muck boots are a size 9.
Okay. Why can't they be 10s?
I know, huh? They do.
Everyone
actually. So my boyfriend's a size 10, and he wore those for a while, and they fit him pretty well. Like, you're more than welcome to try them on and all that good stuff.
Okay. Okay. Oh, and they're separating right here. Shoot. Okay. So I'll grab these. I'll just set them aside and I'll look at some other stuff.
Like I said to you, you're more than welcome to just tear that guy apart.
Okay.
It's full.
I'm doing your work.
Right?
Put a blanket out right there and then I can spread them out.
Right. I just figure anyone that wants to go through it, they're more
They
than
gotta
welcome
earn
to.
it.
Do you want me to set up that chair, honey?
And how much are the shirts in here?
Like $3, $4 a pop.
Okay.
Probably the long button up's about 5.
Okay. What's up, dude?
Say hi.
Going good. How are you?
Good.
Good.
Rack muffin. So they were stacked at by size. They should say like 26. They should say on the tags.
So there's several that I'm interested in.
Okay.
Can I just stack them and then make you an offer on the whole everything? Okay. Does your mom have more jeans?
I think this is. Mom, is this all your jeans? Those are all the jeans. Yeah.
I was just asking where you got them all. Are they just all yours that you've accumulated?
Oh,
do you have a
no.
source?
I don't know where she got them.
Do you work somewhere that sells jeans?
I used to sell on Poshmark, and then my husband and I adopted little autistic twin boys.
Okay.
And
they kicked you off Poshmark for that?
Huh?
No, I'm just kidding. The story's coming together.
And then we were actually fostered another set of little baby boy twins, and then I just never had time. And now I've got all this stuff, and I'm just like, I don't have time for anything.
So I was going to ask, is this all the jeans that you have?
Still,
Okay. And so some of that is Poshmark too mixed in? Your old inventory?
No. So my mom passed away in May.
Okay.
My mom ended.
I'm sorry.
That's okay. So all of the women's clothes are hers, and the shoes.
Okay.
The shoes are between 5 and size 6, and then the boots 5 and 6 too.
How did you like selling on Poshmark?
The jeans did well. You can't really do kids' clothes because they're inexpensive.
Yeah.
It was better before they raised the shipping rate to $4.99.
Right.
The jeans did well, actually, especially the name brand stuff did well.
Okay.
I don't know.
Did you ever sell on anything else, or was it mostly Poshmark?
Just Poshmark.
Cool.
I never did Macari.
I know. I don't know how to say it either. Macaria. Cool.
And the jeans, do you sell on Poshmark?
No, that's why I was asking.
Oh.
I sell on eBay though.
They have the jean parties, so that's where I would really sell it.
So where did you get all these? Now that you're not in the game, we're not competitors, right?
Some of them were actually mine. Some of them were my daughter's. And then I would buy them like at Plano's Closet when they would have deals. Pretty much that's it. George's Rack when I had to off and stuff like that.
Right. Well, you did pretty good.
I paid a lot more than these prices, I'll tell you that. This is just to get rid of them.
Right.
The jean parties are really good though. That's where I would sell.
What is a jean party?
So
I haven't heard
Poshmark,
that.
They have parties every day. They have like 4 parties a day. Like one will start at 10, one at 1, one at like 5, and one like at 7.
Okay.
There'll be specific things, like it could be like athletic, or it will be specifically like boots, or they'll have like swim, or they have like kids, but they also have just plain jean parties, or they'll have like
Okay.
designer jeans, and so that's when I would sell, and they'll tell you which brands they'll let you post to, and then it's a party. So like people that like shop for that brand, because when you do your profile, you choose what brand you like.
Sure.
So then people are notified.
Okay.
So that's when I would sell the jeans. I did really well with the jeans. It's just
You do 9 pairs for $50?
let's see.
Look, buddy.
Let's do like 70.
You want me to meet you at 60 then?
Okay, we'll do that.
Cool. There you go.
And
Thank
also, so Savers is kind of expensive.
you. I know.
They used to do.
So is Goodwill.
That stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like people come here, they're like $1. I'm like,
Right.
you can't go to Kid and Savers. They're like $4.99, and they're not this good quality, good
Right.
used.
Okay, here.
They used to do
That
before
stuff
COVID
off the
on holidays. They would do like 50%
Put the dragon up
off.
here.
And so that's when I would. My husband and I do foster care also, so that's why I have so many baby clothes
Sure.
too. So I go get baby clothes, and then if you know anybody that's a senior over
Let's keep
55,
looking.
Bring 'em with you?
I am. On Tuesdays they do 30% off your whole purchase.
30%?
Off your whole
Oh.
purchase, and then if you donate something,
That's useful.
anything, stay right here. So when you donate, they give you this.
Oh,
you
cool.
can have that.
Thank you.
So then you can do 20% off up to $100. So,
That's great.
I
Thank
mean,
you.
you'll see that these are more expensive over there.
Right. You got these from there, really?
No,
I was
got
gonna say
most of
these are in
from
good
Plato's.
condition.
Okay.
Okay.
Because I would get on. Plato's does the same thing, like on holidays.
Yeah.
If you sign up for their email,
Benny! Benny!
you'll see they're
Benny!
they're like, it depends, but I pay like up to $30 for some of these.
Okay.
Over at Savers, you'll find them $10 to $15
Sure.
a pair.
Sure.
But if you get on the sales, the 20% off or 30% off, or ask them the next one, they'll do Memorial Day.
Okay.
If they're going to do the 50% off.
Mom, where the
Okay.
purses?
I'm gonna put these away and come back and keep looking.
Come here, Benny.
Thank you.